It's a gassy day today. I had a bowl of mac and cheese last night, and my stomach has not stopped bubbling. It's got to be a quick hot lap because I'm about to be in the bathroom in about 10 minutes. So, welcome to hot lap number 80. 80 straight weeks of this. Woo! If you're enjoying these, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. What are we listening to? Why'd you pause it? Jojo.
A little too late.
Oh, you know it's just a little too late. What's new, Frank? What do we got going on?
A lot of paperwork on my desk. Parts. Spacers. Shit. Help. Help.
Keep sending the work, guys. Keep drowning us in work. We need it. We need the work.
Hey,
we love it. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got?
A Nissan key cylinder for a 240SX.
Ooh, part of the week.
Part of the week right here.
Left-hand drive ignition key cylinder.
Yeah, you know you guys need this because someone definitely got their car broken into. Tried to get robbed or something. They probably broke the steering lock and then stuck a screwdriver in here. So now you just replace it. Boom, done. You got a new key. Damn, that's nice.
Careful, don't start it.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Ew.
Yeah, so that's cool. Also, Nissan has been discontinuing a lot of lately. So here comes the fear porn.
Fear porn. Last thing they discontinued was the S13 or T28 turbo oil drain tube. Why would you discontinue that? What's the point of that?
Just to make my life more annoying. But we're gonna try to find some in Japan. If we can't do that, then yeah, y'all are so.
The fear porn
What was the other one?
is porning.
You had two on here.
And then also, what else was discontinued? 11835. What else was? Let's see. Oh, the crankcase blow-by pipe for S13. They don't want to lay no pipe.
Nissan doesn't want to lay the pipe anymore, so we're gonna see if we can find them in Japan. I guess they might lay the pipe. Probably not. So it might be discontinued over there too.
Damn, what's random parts they want to discontinue?
Shout out.
Yeah, shout out to Level Ride Concepts. Sent these in the mail, gave us some free stickers. They make a lot of fire extinguisher mount brackets for different cars. Since Street Faction gone, you might need to go to Level Ride Concepts.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
that works.
Yeah, we have their stuff on our website, select amount of stuff, a good amount of it. But you could also check out their direct website, levelrideconcepts.com, I believe.
Trick or treat.
Yeah, someone came and trick-or-treated and said, hey, you guys, I got some bolts you need zinc plated.
Yeah, bolts in here. Dirty ass bolts.
Yeah, so they're doing a little zinc plate.
We also got a new product.
Is it confirmed? It works?
Oh, we don't know if it works yet. We might have a new product on the website. It is a fuel temp level sensor. I guess you'd call this a sensor. But it is the sensor that shows you your... No, it's just the light. It's the low fuel light sensor. That's what it is for an S13.
Those go bad a lot?
If your tank is full of rust, yeah. So we finally found an aftermarket one that should work. So we'll know by the end of today, maybe, and then it'll be on the website. So if you're rebuilding your fuel pump assembly thing, bobber, what do you call that? Sending unit? Fuel sending unit. If you're like rebuilding your fuel sending unit because yours was rotted out, then you're probably going to need one of these, or you want to replace it anyway. It's not a lot. No, it is a lot of money, I think. It's got to be like at least $50 or something. So, yeah.
The phone's ringing. Get back to work, Frank. Look what this guy bought. He thinks he's slick. It's a Fairlady Z badge for the Z. You can kind of see it from the back.
I don't remember. You might have talked to someone else, but yeah.
Got a pile of parts for that Z. All right, let's let him work. Over here, you guys saw our latest video on YouTube. We have the Ramstead MFG wheel fitment tool. We have three of these in stock. We already sold 2 of them. So I guess those people watched the video and found it really informative. So go check out this on our website or go to the Ramstead Instagram or website to get more info on it. Yeah, they're $99. With shipping, it's like $115, $113. And it'll last you forever, basically, as long as you don't break it. Yeah, give it a try. Go watch our latest video if you need more info on it. So yeah, go check that out on our website. 99 bucks, you can't beat it. Great tool to have in your arsenal. This month we have a little service special going on. We're doing $99 for oil change and tire rotation. Bring it up on the screen. Yeah, so come in, 99 bucks, tire rotation, oil change, and you get a little multi-point inspection. Can't beat that. Check out our new toy. Snap-on coffee maker. We actually have coffee in here right now. Why isn't it warm? It's supposed to keep warm. I guess it's on a timer. The giveaway for this month. Do not forget, every $5 spent on the website is one entry. So if you would like a free Origin hood, buy something on our website. $5. $5, one entry. Every Faction Motorsport branded product is double entries. We actually have some Origin Lab Aero in stock here if you guys are interested, as always. Whole bunch of fenders, whole bunch of kits. You see it stocked up in here. You see it stocked up. Slowly dwindling, but we got it. We also have some hoods in stock already. We got I know somebody needs this, S13 Silvia Type 2 hood. Also got an S14 Zenki Type 2 hood, X100 Chaser Type 2, a Koki Type 2, and also X100 Mark II Type 2. Oh, they're all FRP, no carbon here. Yeah, no carbon. So if you need a hood already, come get it. It's in stock. Come pick it up if you need. How much picked up? 1050 plus DAX? Can't beat it. You know what else we also have? Got these, the rear garnish for 180s, but they are fiberglass, obviously, fiberglass. Look at that. Little rear garnish for the Type X rear. If you need the part numbers, D277. Go buy it. Go buy it now. We got a whole bunch. There's like a Koki and Zenki. Yeah, there's a Koki and Zenki one. I don't know what the Zenki one is, but you get the gist. What else? Let's see what's in the shop this week. Let's see what's in the shop. Frankie was working on his car recently. Did a whole bunch of priming in the wheel wells. Got it all taped off, primed and ready. The self-etch. Then he's gonna Raptor line it, I believe. What else we got? We got the infamous, well, not infamous, but famous two-tone Seafoam. Chris Coy, Silvia here. Really nice. Just came in to diagnose a leak. Found a coolant leak from the intake manifold. Am I correct, Chris?
Correcto.
Correcto. Thank you. Yeah, look at the cool little carbon fiber center garnish for around the tombstone. Pretty nice. Nismo bits in the back seat. Oh, let's see a little hat in there. In a little bag. I wonder what he's got hiding in there. Oh. But yeah, this car's cool. Everybody knows this car. Designed by Superlife. Maintained and assembled, sort of, kind of, by Faction Motorsports. Yeah. What else we got? Oh, we got the, what would you call this in the modern day? Yeah, we got the Skyline, the People Eater, the Crowd Surfer, the infamous G37. Is it 37, right? Or 35? G35. I never know the difference. I can't tell the difference. But yeah, this came in as our friend Nick's car came in for some diff bushings. Should be all good to go. And coilover bushings? Ah. Shock bushings. That's what we call it. Is it factory manual? Oh, we swapped it? Swapped. It does look factory. Let's look at the dash. Yeah, it looks to be a factory manual. Very nice. Very nice. Looks. This would be a great drift car. Oh yeah, let's see a real Skyline now. I mean, they say it's a Skyline in Japan. We'll believe them. We'll believe them. Look at this. What is this? Little granny whip. Little ES 300. Got an R34 here. Came in for some brakes. Finding brakes for these cars is the hardest thing ever. You will not find cheap brakes. The brakes you're gonna have to get are $1 billion, and you just gotta live with it. But I know a lot of people convert these cars to 350Z brakes or something to make it easier to maintain, cheaper maintenance. But goddamn, those brakes were expensive. What else we got? Oh, we got a comment that is actually a question for Eddie. What's a good camera loadout for shop vids and track days? Why don't you go in the mirror, Eddie, and show him what you're working with right now? He's got a contraption. Eddie just likes to play around with his loadout. Look at that. Is that even real? He's got 2 cameras on there. Another screen. I'm waiting for the VR headset next. He's gonna have a VR headset next. What other? Oh, last week we had a podcast, but it was just with me, Frankie, Chris, and Jesus. Because Carl is still in Japan. Do we think Carl's coming back? We tried contacting him. He won't answer. Tried writing him. Sent a Morse code out. No response. We think he's stuck there, guys. He's never coming back. He probably likes it over there more than he does here. No surprise, though. Who wouldn't? He's got to miss it, though. He's got to miss home. So if anybody would like to put in an application for a new co-host for the podcast, you can send it straight to sales@factionmotorsports.com. This will be your office. This will be your seat. Yeah. Tell Carl you guys are giving him a run for his money. If we don't hear back from Carl, we're going to go through the applications, guys. It is what it is. I don't know what to do. What else we got going on? Let's see what the IG questions are. We got to do a quick hot lap this week because Eddie's not going to be here Thursday, Friday, and Monday because he's going to see some of the best drivers in the world. He's going to F1 in Texas. So we got to do this quick so we can edit it and do everything else he needs to do before he leaves. Where are the questions? There they are. Oh, no. Or I clicked the wrong one. There we go. Sousa del Sol says, that Seafoam S13 caught my eye if that could be brought up. I already brought it up. TSDT Trevor, what drift chassis would you choose if you had to choose, Malcolm, other than an S chassis? It'd be a 350Z. 100% 350Z. Or nah, I think just a 350Z. Toyotas, not really a fan of Toyotas. The only Toyota I like is a ZN6 or a JZX90 Mark II. But I would still choose a 350Z over both of those, I think. Yeah. No, why does it smell like gas? Oh, is that you? I thought I was having a stroke. When is Faction gonna build drift donks? That'd be sick. Imagine we brought like a 2000 something Impala in here, some big ass wheels, and drifted it. Donk. When is Frankie getting dreads? Yeah, imagine. Frankie would kind of look scary with dreads. Kind of look like a tweaker, to be honest. Yeah, I don't think that's a look for him. I do not think that's a look for him. What else we got? Be honest, Unc. Ass or tits? Respectfully, of course.
Shop.
Let's ask the shop. The thing is, we're all taken here. I don't know if we could answer this respect. I don't know. Hey guys, quick question. Answer us. Oh. It starts. It works.
I'm surprised.
Yeah, damn, it works. Quick question. Ass or tits? Do you like the front end of a car or the rear end more? Which do you fancy more? Whoop, 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 whoop. The cops are coming. You know, when I look at a car, I usually look at the... no, I think the front end. Front end. But it depends on my mood. Sometimes the rear end looks better than the front end.
What about the knees? Elbows.
Elbows? The weenus. That's your answer. That's your answer.
Like taking men.
Yeah.
What happened to personality?
Right?
The
Come on.
heart.
The heart. Ass. All right, well, there it is. All right, like I said before, guys, I got a... I'm going to be honest. I had a bowl of mac and cheese last night. My stomach has been bubbling since about 8:15 this morning. So, yeah. Yeah. That's it, guys. I can't even do an outro. I might myself. If I do anything athletic, it might come out. All right, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Oh, take these pants off. All right, guys. I was not lying. Frankie, get out of here. Just leave us alone, please. All right, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Oh, take these pants off.